Just so excited to show you what I have been through. What I did, I installed my own bidet. Why? Because the cooler one that we had 6 months or so was leaking. Too bad, because I really like that. It was a nice looking bidet, because we all know it's not as sexy, but it's a necessity. Well, I read reviews about it, and a lot of people are really saying that it leaks. So I decided to get a different brand. What I got is very apt. It's called the Tushy.
Okay, let's go.
Really decided to do it myself. I thought, you know what? I think I can do this. Guess what? I did it. This is really for you guys who are installing a Tushy, a bidet for the first time. So you don't need a plumber for this. Let's get to it. I have the how-to here. And of course, the Tushy. We have the flexible hose adapter, mega adapter. And of course, your gloves, wipes, flathead, screwdriver. And again, this is for dummies. It's my first time to do this. Let's see if I will need Mr. Evans later on. Got my light on. And while we're at it, might as well clean the toilet. Amazon link is in the description below if you're interested. First
Okay, let's
things
go.
first, getting this party started. Number 1, turn off water supply valve. Let's do that. Number 2, empty the toilet tank. Got that? Remove the toilet seat. This might be tricky. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Let me clean that while we're at it. And sanitize before I reattach it. Disconnect the existing flexible hose from your toilet tank by turning it clockwise. If you're looking at the connection from above, okay, this is tight. I need strength. I need all the strength that I have to loosen this thing. Attach your Tushy to the bowl. Now for the big moment, place the Tushy on top of your toilet and line up the adjustable flanges with the holes in between the bowl and the tank, used for mounting the toilet seat. Make sure the nozzle is lined up in the center of the bowl and as close to the back rim of the bowl without the nozzle touching it. Let's not forget this part. Almost did. Needs to be tight, but not too tight. There's a leak here. That means this isn't threaded correctly. Well, I would do this. It doesn't say to test for leak before attaching it, but I would suggest do that before you even try attaching the Tushy to save time. And hopefully after this, there'll be no more leak. Make sure it's lined up. Has to turn smoothly. Let's tighten it a little bit more. And find out. Looks like there's no leak, but we'll have to wait for an hour, it says, before even using it. So let's turn it off first. Let's check if it's touching the rim. See my problem here? It's not flat as it should be. So when you close the toilet seat, it's not flat. So this is my second one. After the Kohler, it was flat. And then this hits the inner edge of the toilet seat. That's why it won't lie flat. I hope this works. Let's see if this will line up. I think it should be this way. Put this back on. Okay. Here we go. I did it! Let's test this water. I hear water coming. And it looks like it is lined up in front. I hear some water. I don't want to open it. Let's check. Yep, there's water drip. Let's try it again. Hear that? Hopefully there's no leak. I did it. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did this myself. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's kind of easy for a first time. So it doesn't really lay as flat, the toilet seat, but that's how it's designed. Let's test this. I hear water. Let's see if there's leak. No leaks. This is the Tushy bidet. Use it. Just turn it all the way, depending on how much pressure you want.
I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe and share.
Well done, Ces.